My name is Jesse Burford. I'm with Underwater Engineering Services Incorporated, or UESI for short. I spent the last 17 years working in the nuclear industry supporting projects ranging from diving in a suppression pool and transfer canals to welding, underwater coating repairs, inspections, and desludge. And for more than 15 of those years, I kept hearing the same question. Is there a way to clean the suppression pool without divers? For a long time, the answer has always been no. UESI is a specialty dive company, and diving has always been the industry standard. So the idea stayed on the shelf. That changed in the spring of 2025. That's when I realized that the industry was eager for a new solution. So I approached UESI leadership and asked for the opportunity to take on the project. So I began researching ROV companies, builders, and manufacturers. Some were supportive of the idea but thought the market wasn't big enough to support the R&D. Others offered timelines that were years away from delivering a usable unit, so our team kept pushing. Eventually, we found a rugged platform-style underwater vehicle we could build around. From there, UESI began fabricating custom components using a 3D printer and locally sourced materials. All fabrication and electrical work was completed in our specialty lab at the UESI home office in Fort Pierce, Florida. Piece by piece, we built our first prototype. Once we had a working unit, the next challenge was testing. Getting access to a live suppression pool during an outage was essentially impossible, so we did the next best thing. We built our own. We constructed a mock-up of a Torres bay with the same curvature and internal structures designed to mimic real-world conditions without the dose. Engineering and fabrication took about 3 months before we could fill it with water. All the work was completed by UESI engineers and our skilled welders. The next hurdle was finding a material that could accurately mimic sludge, specifically a rust-colored lightweight mixture with large particulate matter, to test the RCV cleaning system. After several weeks of experimenting with different materials, flocculant, and many failed attempts, the team believes we finally identified the right combination to simulate sludge typically found in a suppression pool. So during our testing, our team operated the RCV for approximately 500 hours without mechanical failure. It cleans sludge, climbs vertical walls, and moves effortlessly over structures. Daily maintenance is minimal, just a quick inspection of the tracks and belts before it's back in the water. So the main mission for the RCV is simple. Remove the bulk sludge and sediment so divers can focus on the highly skilled critical work, inspecting, coating repairs, and other precision tasks, not the heavy cleanup. So the RCV features has a 1080p camera with 2 onboard lights, a multi-function controller with 6-inch LED screen, Wi-Fi capability for viewing. Tether lengths can be up to 300 feet to put the operator in a low-dose area. Dual bristle sets to scrub and break up the material. 2 1-inch suction ports connected to an external 480-volt pump feeding the UESI filtration system. Also has colored bristles designed to prevent foreign material concerns. And that brings us to where we're at today. The UESI remote cleaning vehicle, an innovative built by nuclear professionals for nuclear professionals. This is the future of suppression pool cleaning, safer, faster, and built entirely by UESI.